In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hours in Homebase. We will walk through adding a shift so your employee hours show correctly in your schedule. Start by opening the Homebase app or website. If you are on a phone or tablet, tap the Homebase icon and wait for the dashboard to load. On a computer, open your browser and go to the Homebase sign-in page. Then log in so you land on your main Homebase dashboard. You should see options like schedule, timesheets, and maybe team or settings. Once you are in Homebase, go to Schedule. On the app, look along the bottom or side for the Schedule button and tap it. On the website, click Schedule in the main menu near the top of the screen. When the Schedule page opens, you will usually see a grid with days of the week across the top and your employee names down the side. This grid is where all your shifts live, so any changes here update what your team sees. From there, select the correct week or date. Look near the top of the schedule view for the date range or a calendar control. You can tap the left or right arrows to move to the previous or next week. If there is a date picker, tap it and choose the specific week or day you need. Make sure the dates at the top row match the week you want to add hours to, so you do not accidentally schedule someone on the wrong week. Now click the employee's name or an empty shift box. If you already see that employee listed on the left side, move across the row to the day you want and click in the empty box for that date. Some versions let you click directly on the employee name to open options, but most often you choose the blank spot under the right day. You should see a small menu or window appear for that spot in the schedule. Next up, select Add Shift. In the menu or small window that appears, look for an option labeled Add Shift and click or tap it. This tells Homebase you want to create a new shift for that employee on that date. Once you select it, a shift details window opens so you can fill in the time informations. With that ready, enter the start time. Click into the start time field and type the time the employee should begin work. You can usually choose morning or afternoon using AM or PM, or select from a list of times. Take a second to confirm the start time matches your business hours and the day you chose at the top of the window. After you set the start, enter the end time. Click into the end time field and type when the employee will finish the shift. Make sure the end time is later than the start time, especially if you are scheduling an evening shift that runs close to midnight. Many beginners slip by reversing these times, which can create a negative or zero-length shift in the schedule. Finally, click Save. Homebase closes the shift window and adds the new block of hours into that employee row on the schedule grid. You will now see a colored shift box showing the start and end times you entered for that day, and your employee will see this updated schedule once it is published or refreshed. You have now learned how to add employee work hours to the schedule in Homebase, so if this helped you get your shifts set up, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Homebase tips.